Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing well. This is a requested video, that's why I am making. The thing is, this is the chapter number 4. You know very well the weekly test 3. This is the chapter. Okay. So the question is, sir, what is important in this particular chapter, or which topics are important basically? So first of all, you can see what is the name of this chapter: Turkish invasion and the establishment of Delhi Sultanate. Clear? So first of all, in this chapter, what you have to learn? At first, the details about Mahmud. Okay, Mahmud of Ghazni. Clear? Or Sultan Mahmud. All right. You can see this one here, Sultan. So in this particular para, I mean to say the Mahmud of Ghazni, most important part is this point, 25 years. This is the highlighted points. Clear? This is the most important and highlighted points. You have to do it. Clear? Definitely question will come from this particular topic. 25 years, and what is the time period? That means what is the basic time period? 1000 to 25 BC. Okay. In the offline class, I discussed all the things. So this is the basic revision type class. All right. I will not go. I will not discuss the entire thing. What is happened? What is the thing? Okay. What was the thing? That is not the particular purpose. What is the important chapter? Just basic discussion. All right. These points are very, very important. So be prepared. All right. Next, you will see here the war against Jaipal. This point. Clear? The war against Jaipal means this one, and Mahmud first defeated Jaipal. Clear? There will be a blank type question. Mahmud first defeated Dash. Okay, the Indian ruler. The answer will be here Jaipal. All right. Clear? Next, you can see this one, Anandpal. Okay. So who was Anandpal? Basically, Anandpal was the son of Jaipal. All right. This is the basic thing. Just go through and read this particular para. I hope your concept will clear. Next, what is the next? Just a minute. So this one, Sultan Mahmud attacked the Somnath temple. You know very well this one, Somnath temple, and the very important thing. But the most important thing is Sultan Mahmud কিন্তু কখনো ইন্ডিয়ার মধ্যে নিজের টেরিটরি এক্সপ্যান্ড করতে চাইতো না। ক্লিয়ার? সুলতান মাহমুদের টার্গেট কী ছিল? অলওয়েজ সুলতান মাহমুদ অলওয়েজ কী করতো না, ইন্ডিয়া থেকে ইন্ডিয়ার যে ওয়েলথকে, ঠিক আছে, ইন্ডিয়ার ওয়েলথকে কী করতো না, এক্সপ্লোর করতো। ক্লিয়ার? হিয়ার ইউ ক্যান সি this one, this figure. This one is the basic basically this part, that means this yellow color, this is the area of Sultan Mahmud. But Sultan Mahmud invade করেছিল কোথায়? Here you will see this one, that means Gujarat side. Here you will see Mathura, that means right now UP side. Clear? But still এই সমস্ত এরিয়া থেকে কী করতো? শুধুমাত্র তারা লুটপাট করতো। অলরাইট তাদের টার্গেট এটা ছিল না যে তাদের এখানে ইনভেট করে এই এরিয়াকে ক্যাপচার করে এই এরিয়া কিছু করতে হবে, নো, দ্যাট ইজ নট দ্য টার্গেট। অলরাইট, সো একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আসতে পারে, হু অ্যাটাকড দ্য সোমনাথ টেম্পল অর হু ডেস্ট্রয়েড দ্য সোমনাথ টেম্পল? ক্লিয়ার, বেসিক্যালি সোমনাথ টেম্পল ইজ গুজরাট। Alright, so this is important question, be prepared for that particular question. Next you will see so many important points here. Who was known as Vatsi Khan? This point is very important. Vatsi Khan or temple destroyer. Clear, temple destroyer কাকে বলা হতো? The answer will be Sultan Mahmud. Alright, next so many important points are there, just you can read. Alright, যেহেতু আমি অফলাইনে পুরোপুরি কমপ্লিটলি পড়িয়েছিলাম, এটা জাস্ট এটা একটা রিভিশন করছি। নেক্সট ইউ উইল সি হিয়ার Muhammad Ghori. Clear this point, Muhammad Ghori. So he was the founder of Ghur dynasty? No, he was the real founder of Ghur dynasty. Clear. Next question is, who was the founder of Ghur dynasty? The answer will be this one, Ghiyas-ud-Din Ghori. Alright, Ghiyas-ud-Din Ghori was the founder of Ghur dynasty. Clear. Now you know very well here some important points. Important battle, I mean to say here, the first battle of Tarain, the second battle of Tarain. Clear. First battle of Tarain result, what was the result of first battle of Tarain, what was the result in the second battle of Tarain, what is the time period, what is the specific year of the first battle of Tarain, specific year of the second battle of Tarain. Next, the very important question is, why second battle of Tarain is very important or very significant for the history of, for the construction of the history of medieval India, or for the construction of the history of Muslim period or foundation of Muslim period. This question is very important. Why second battle of Tarain is very important? What is the significance of the second battle of Tarain? Alright, whenever you will read the chapter, be prepared for such kind of question. Definitely this is very important question. Alright, next in the next page you will see here Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, here the time period of Qutbuddin Aibak. And Qutbuddin Aibak, who was Qutbuddin Aibak? This is very important question. Who was Qutbuddin Aibak and who was the founder of slave dynasty? Alright, slave dynasty. Again you will see another question, who was the real founder of slave dynasty? If the real founder, then the answer will be Iltutmish. If the founder, then it will be Qutbuddin Aibak. Again their dynasty was called slave dynasty. The question is, why is it called the slave dynasty? What's the reason? Slave means das, das কেন বলা হয়? Why? This is very important question. Clear. Why the slave dynasty? Why the first dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate named slave dynasty was called slave dynasty? কেন একে slave dynasty বলা হয়? What's the reason? Alright, be prepared for such kind of question. Next you will see the Sultani period. What was the basic time period basic Sultani time, basic time period for Sultani age, okay, or Delhi Sultanate. Here you will see this is the time period 1206 to 1526. This is the basic time period. Again you will see here so many dynasty, that means slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, Lodi dynasty, up to this one, but in this particular chapter just you will learn only slave dynasty. All right. Next, Qutbuddin Aibak, the detailed discussion about Qutbuddin Aibak. He was known as Lagbox, very important this point. Who was known as Lagbox? Very important. Be prepared. All right. Who started the formation of Qutub Minar? So the answer will be Qutbuddin Aibak or Aibak, whatever you can say. And who completed? Iltutmish. All right. Next you will see Iltutmish, this one. Who was Iltutmish? Iltutmish was the son of Qutbuddin Aibak. No, that is wrong. Iltutmish was the son-in-law, clear, son-in-law of Qutbuddin Aibak. All right, and he was also the real founder of slave dynasty. Next question, next important parts, this one, Iqta system. Who started Iqta system? This is very important. Iqta. The answer will be Iltutmish. Be prepared. Here so many points you will see. Just read all the points. Who started Bandegan-e-Chahelgan? Clear? Or who formed the Bandegan-e-Chahelgan or Chollis Chakra? Clear? The answer will be this one. I mean to say Iltutmish. All right. This is very important. Chengiz Khan time period. Chengiz Khan, actually what happens, চেঙ্গিজ খাঁকে কীভাবে ট্যাকেল করেছিল, অর্থাৎ চেঙ্গিজ খাঁ যে ইন্ডিয়াতে যে ইনভেট করেছিল, ইন্ডিয়াতে যে অ্যাটাক করবে বলে চিন্তা করেছিল, ইলতুৎমিশ কীভাবে সেটাকে ডিপ্লোমেসির মাধ্যমে কীভাবে সেটাকে কন্ট্রোল করে। দিস ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোয়েশ্চেন। অলরাইট, বি প্রিপেয়ার্ড। নেক্সট, রাজিয়া সুলতান। Okay, Rajia Sultan. Who was Rajia Sultan? This is very important question, and he was the first woman. He was the first woman Sultan. Even first king, you can say. Clear? Even the first king of India, first women king. Sorry, first women king of India. Rajia Sultan. Very important question. And who was, and she was very capable also. That is not the thing she was not capable, no, that is not. She was very capable for ruling the administrative system or all the things. All right. So many things are there, just prepare, well prepared, prepare for such kind of questions. And the credit of Sultana Rajia, very important, long question. Clear? Next you will see Ghiyasuddin Balban. Here Ghiyasuddin Balban, the time period. And Ghiyasuddin Balban, what was the ancient name of, or what was the previous name of Ghiyasuddin Balban? The answer will be, just tell me, do you know? Okay, whatever, just those who are watching this video, put it in the comment section, just search it from Google. All right. Next, what was the credit of Ghiyasuddin Balban? Or what was the credit of Ulugh Khan? Okay. This is the most important question. These are the most important questions you have to prepare. All right. And here you can see the time period also, Iltutmish time period, Sultan Razia, then Nasiruddin Mahmud. Actually, Nasiruddin Mahmud was also the son of Iltutmish. Next, the region, that means the Ghiyasuddin Balban, the time period. Clear? Death of this one. All right, just you can read this. So that's all for today. If you have any query or any doubt, then you can ask me. I'll try to clarify your doubt. You can call me through phone call. So many students are already calling. That's why I'm making this video. So thanks for watching. Till then, tata.